Here I've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the phone DLR, then go to keypad, and let's start with the first code. It's a pretty quick one and it is *#06#. And as you can see now, you can come along with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device, which are dedicated for both SIM cards of yours. Click on OK. That would be all for this first code. And let's go to the second one, and it is *#426 #*#. And now we are in Google Play Services, which is a diagnostic mode performed by Google, and here you can check events and status. If you would like to open advanced view, just click on the more icon, click on advanced view, and now you can come along with all details. So now let me go back. That would be all for this code. And the third one is *#759 #*#. And now we are in debug menu, where you can check unique device ID, activation events sent, current backoff, enabled services, and many other very useful situations. You can also access pings, events, and also client IDs. So let's go back. And another code is *#225 #*#. And now we are in calendar info, where you can locate all the events which are stored in your Google Calendar, but also those from your device's internal storage. You will not forget about any important event thanks to this code, because everything is stored here so smoothly. Enter 225 and then come along with all celebrations and important dates. And another code is *#4636 #*#. And we are in testing mode right now, where you can check phone info, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Let's start with phone information, where you can locate IMEI number, phone number, if only your SIM card is inserted. Then you can run a ping test here. To perform it, just click on Run Ping Test, and below you will find the solution, the network type, roaming, GSM service, and plenty of other truly advanced and important info. Then under usage statistics, you can locate all applications and their last usage time. So just come along with all of these if you're interested. And finally you've got, let me enter this code one more time, 4636. And finally you've got Wi-Fi information. So here you can check network APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also status. In Wi-Fi APA, you can find disabled network, disconnected networks, enabled network, configured networks, and also the whole general connection info. Then in user statistics, and Wi-Fi configuration, you can come along with all configured networks. And in Wi-Fi status, you can smoothly refresh the status and come along with the current status of your network. And also this mode allows you to run a ping test here, just do the same thing as in the beginning, so click on Run Ping Test, and below you will find the solution. So that would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use on your HOMTOM HT16. Enjoy and use them as often as you want to, as only you need to. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.